Ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? Well, that statement could actually be true. If you feel the people around you aren't what you need to progress into becoming who you aspire to be, do not worry. In today's video, we will be discussing how to network with people who share the same interests as you. If you're willing to take the step towards your success, watch this video till the end. When it comes to developing your network, the first thing you need to look at is not other people. You need to look at yourself. What kind of person do you want to be? A lot of people don't really think about that. For the sake of this video, we will talk about how to network with millionaires. The key to successful networking with millionaires begins with thorough research and preparation. Identify the areas or industries where these individuals are active. Utilize online platforms like LinkedIn, Forbes lists, or industry-specific forums to identify potential contacts. Let's say you are a dropshipper and want to connect with people at the top of the game. You would have to first build some sort of name for yourself in the industry. You would then join groups with people on the same path as you. Once in these groups, you would try find the top people of that group and reach out to them. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Focus on providing value rather than solely aiming to gain something for yourself. Attend industry-related events, seminars, and conferences where millionaires are likely to be present. Networking with millionaires requires patience, dedication, and authenticity. By implementing these strategies and consistently adding value, you'll be on your way to establishing valuable relationships with successful individuals. If you've made it this far into the video, hit the subscribe button and comment below your thoughts on today's video.